Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And a very good day to our lecturer, Dr. Najib. So this is the presentation of Engineering Economy Project from Group 17. Our leader is Muhammad Alif Hakimi bin Junaidi, and the one who is assisting him is Muhammad Nufadin. So my name is Muhammad Benin Abdul Aziz, and the other group members is Muhammad Zain Helmi and Muhammad Iswan. So our project is auditorium hall construction. So for the introduction, what is auditorium hall? So auditorium hall or auditorium room is built to enable an audience to hear and watch performance such as theatres. Auditorium, conference hall, library and indoor games are necessary for the community. So the objectives of this project is, the first one is to build an entertaining area for a place that has not the facility to do so. The second one is to design an engineering project that is detailed for the planning, designing and financial costs. So the last of our objective is to plan and produce well structured project, and project will be done on time based on deadline agreement.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Zulimi. I will present our methodology project and 2D auditorium design. So first is methodology. Based on the estimation, the construction will fully complete in 3 years. So the construction is organization and structure planning, which is in 5 January to 2 March 22. The work is research, analysis, planning, monitoring, quality control, structural design, design selection. Estimation is 2 months. The next is financial cost, which is land cost, labor cost, maintenance in 9 March to 1st June. The estimation is 3 months. Next is construction, which is size, raw material, stage, roof, floor. The time is 8 June to 7 June 2024 in 2 years. Next is installation and labor tasks, which is stage accessories, theatre light, spotlight, stage curtain, stage display, audio and others. The time is 13 June to 24 to 12 November 24. The estimation is 7 months. Next is 2D auditorium. So this is our design. Include 56 seats and 9 doors. The length is 1020 meter and 520 meter. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fadlin Abdurrahim, and today I will present about work breakdown structure. So as you can see, for this project, it is auditorium hall. So we divide it into 6, which is organization, financial cost, design, site and construction, installation cost, and labor tasks. So each of the division all have their points, as you can see on the table here.
Next, I will present to you about our project cost. Firstly, we go through to the construction cost. So this is the construction cost. For the example, we have land, engineering, local authority approval, construction manpower, and many else. And the total for our construction cost is 8,120,000 ringgit. While for the installation cost, we have interior finishing, electricity wiring, and also exterior closure. So the total cost for installation cost is 1,696,600 ringgit. Next, I will present to you about our after construction cost. So for the example, we have lighting and power, auditorium chair, elevator, air conditioner, smoke detectors, catwalk stage, and many more. So this is the the item for the after construction cost. So the total cost for the after construction cost is 7,742,000 ringgit. Last but not least, we go through to the machinery cost. So for the machinery cost, we have about 11 items. For the example, we have theatre light, auditorium light, spotlight, and stage curtain, and also curtain system, and many else. So the total cost for the machinery cost is 3,324,000 ringgit. So for the total cost for all our project cost is we must add the construction cost plus installation cost plus after construction cost and plus machinery cost. So for the total cost is 20,882,100 ringgit.
Okay, now we will talk about benefit and cost analysis. So this method is used to analyze decisions, systems or projects, as well as to determine the worth of intangibles. So this model is constructed by determining the advantages of certain activity as well as the costs associated with it. Then we subtract the cost from the benefits. So the benefit cost analysis, if done, it will provide actual findings that may be utilized to draw fair conclusion about the feasibility and advisability of a charge of circumstances. So for the benefit is any beneficial effect on the organization as a consequence of the project's implementation. So one of the advantages is a boost in productivity. This implies that it is intended that by implementing this project, the safety of road users will be improved. Aside from that, expense savings. So uh, then we will go to cost. Cost is any unfavorable impact on an organization as a result of the project's implementation. So one of the example is cost of maintenance. Repair expenses cannot be estimated in advance for this project, since it is only necessary if there is any damage. Okay, that's all for me. We will move to the next point.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I Muhammad Izzuan bin Molpi. This is our project, which is we choose auditorium hall construction, and I will present my part, which is project benefits and project benefits. So we go to the first slide. This I have list 5 of project benefits. The first one is this project avoids the poor sound associated with deeply overhung seats. And then each member of audience can choose their visual perspective of the orchestra with more choice than in most rectangular halls. This project hall provides more opportunities for innovative spatial arrangements of performers and audience. Next, the typically larger number of entrants can facilitate efficient audience movement, potentially increasing interval foods and beverage sales. And the last one is the hall has a good line of sight, at least for the spectators located in front the entertainers. A good line of sight produces good direct sound. So this one is a project benefits. I have list 3 of project benefits, which is the first one is audience members to the sides and behind the platform are likely to suffer from restricted view of the performers. Next, not all facilities were provided. And then the last one is more subtitle screens required, because we know that the members at the side and behind the platform are likely suffer from view the performers. So with the more subtitle screens, it will be easier. Alright, so that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
So, for the conclusion, in the nutshell, we have gained plenty of insight into the importance of our work breakdown structure designed to build a new auditorium hall for civil use under the approach and our budget. So in addition, we also learned how to work together as a team in completing this project, as everyone in the group helped by giving full commitment to the task assigned to the group. So the project also helped us gain knowledge, not only about running a corporation, but also how to use cash flow and the concept of a workflow structure. In addition, we also learned how to design using AutoCAD software. In other words, this project has greatly helped us with our guide to increase knowledge economies in engineering. So this is our references to the cost of the. That's all from us.